Talk less, because not everything needs your voice. Sometimes peace speaks louder than words. Choose silence over unnecessary arguments, and let your calmness protect your energy. Run from drama. Not every noise deserves your attention. Protect your mind, your joy, and your focus. You don't have to be everywhere or respond to everything. Peace is priceless. Sit with wise people often. Their words can guide you, their experiences can teach you, and their presence can shape your growth. Love yourself. You are enough, and you deserve kindness from yourself first. Rest when you need to. Forgive your past, and keep growing with grace. And most importantly, talk to God daily. Tell him your plans and dreams. He listens, even when you can't find the right words. A quiet spirit, wise company, self-love, and daily prayer will keep your life peaceful and full of strength. Drop 100 if you receive this message, and join our community for more. God bless you.